If you're needing a dump trailer for your tractor or subcompact tractor, or maybe your lawnmower, you've come to the right place. We've got a whole row of them here. Let me go over a few of the models, show you what we got. Welcome back to Hoover Tractor. These trailers are built by Creekbank Welding in Ontario, and we stock most of their line of dump trailers. They've got anything from a 12 cubic foot all the way up to an 8-ton dump trailer. Starting off, we've got the ATV 12. This is Creekbank's smallest trailer. This is perfect for your lawnmower. If you've got a zero turn, small tractor. I'll put the sizes on the screen here. The 12 stands for 12 cubic foot. It has a slide out gate on the back. And you could either do a ball hitch or a clevis. Next up, and just a touch larger, we've got the ATV 20. That's a 20 cubic foot. A little bit larger. If you load this up, your small tractor may not handle, or your garden tractor may struggle a little bit. Now notice he's got the more knobby tires for off-road use. Once again, clevis hitch or the ball style. Now hopping up just a little bit to an ATV 30. This is a similar trailer to the 20, but as you see, it's got a deeper bed in the middle. Basically just fills in between the tires, and it's a tandem axle. Same dumping mechanism, same slide out gate, but this will take a little more horsepower to pull it. And keep in mind, all of these are air tires with greasable hubs. Now these trailers that I already mentioned come in gravity tilt. Now the ATV 30 that I just pointed out, you can get a hydraulic kit for it if you want to do a power dump. These next ones are hydraulic dumps, so they're geared more towards your compact tractors, your heavier UTVs if you got a hydraulic kit on them. Let's check them out. This one is going to be your CDT2T. This is a 2-ton dump trailer, hydraulic dump, so it's got the cylinder already on it. And you could open this up to be a bottom swing or drop the tailgate down from the top. Now these are well-built trailers. They're built in Ontario by Creekbank Welding. Moving on, we have the 3-ton dump trailer, similar to the 2, except the 3-ton model with tandem axle again. You have the same style gate, either your bottom swing or upper swing. Now we got some of each of these that I'm showing you in stock. Got good pricing on them. Let's see what the next one's like. Here we are at the 5-ton model. Tandem axle with 11L15 tires on. This is a nice trailer. Good for your farms, if you got a larger property, something you need to haul a lot of junk around in. Hauls up to 5 ton. So a well-built trailer, self-opening tailgate. Let's take a look at that mechanism here. And then we've got the 8-ton. This is an even bigger one than the 5-ton right beside it, and just a lot bigger and stronger. And this one's got 12.515 tires on it. So if you got a bigger tractor, you're looking to haul a lot more dirt, rocks, whatever it is, this one might be the one for you. Similar to the 5-ton, this one also has self-opening tailgate. One thing to mention on the 5 and 8-ton is you have a swivel clevis hitch. You may have seen this already, but I'll show it to you again. We have this package deal. It's our homesteader package, 2620, forks, cutter on a trailer. This would load up one of these dump trailers really nice. There may be a waiting list on these, but get your name in. We'll make sure you get one at this price. And we're offering it at 2.99% financing. So if you need a dump trailer, package deal, service, parts, or you just want some advice, give us a call, 570-966-3821. We're here to help. Email sales@hoovertractor.us. Stop in and see us in person. Check out the new RX-40 here. We'll see you next time.